Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ng 105.1 Brigada News FM. Video ni Russian vlogger Vitaly Sidorovitsky habang nakakulong sa Pilipinas, viral ngayon sa social media. Panoorin. Pinag-aaralan ngayon ng Bureau of Immigration ang pagbawi ng cellphone privilege sa mga dayuhang nakadetine sa kanilang warden facility kasunod ng mga revelasyon ni Russian vlogger Vitaly Sidorovitsky hinggil sa umano'y laganap na korupsyon sa loob ng pasilidad. Sa isang panayam, ito na.
I know it sounds funny, but today actually marks 69 days. Check this out. These are our conditions. This is an isolation. I can speak out loud because I have the guard right there. These are my mates here, and I can't help it. But here's that. This is our breakfast. Yes. Why is it green? One please. One rice and one fish. I don't even know what that is. And our dinner. Wow. So much food.
So much fun.
If you guys are wondering why this bottle over here, that's rats protection. This place is infested with rats, cockroaches, hundreds of mosquitoes during the night. It's absolutely disgusting. I've been trying to reach out to human rights people. This is so inhumane, but no one's responding. But this message is not about me. This is a message about all the people that are suffering in here. And I will tell you in 1 second. Come check out the bottle. This is how we shower. You guys are probably wondering if I dropped the soap. Not yet. Oops, I think I did. Alright. Jokes aside, it's not to mention, it's 95 degrees Fahrenheit, or sometimes it's 100. It is boiling hot in here. But let's get to the serious part. Anyone watching this video, there's people, civilians, and hundreds of people are suffering. Innocent people. If you overstay your visa, there's people here for 3 years, 5 years. Are they going to be here for life? Maybe not. Are they going to be here for years? Yes. Do you think my charge is disturbing these matches and consequences? I don't think so. I've been getting a lot. Every negative situation has to be positive. There's books. Left hand. You guys are wondering if we get to go out of the stage? Maybe. 15 minutes once a week. But yeah, we go outside next to that beautiful blue trash can that's filled with bottles and rats.
Kami ni Mama, ganito ko member.
Di oh. Ay, may ano pa siya, may cameraman pa siya eh.
This message
Balay.
is before I say it. We've been praying here every single day, and I just wanted to read out prayer for next. Guys, this is the prayer for next week for my bungas and me. Dear God, thank you for opening our eyes and giving us another week to live, grow, and trust you more. Every day that you give us is a gift. I'm so grateful that you share it with us. Your word of Proverbs 6:3 says, commit to the Lord whatever you do and he will establish your plan. So today, we're committing this week to you. Every decision, every conversation, every step. I'm placing it all in your hands. When we face moments of pressure, remind us to pause and look at you first. We're not doing this on our own. You are our strength, our peace, and that's all we need. Thank you for loving us unconditionally through everything we face. We're walking into this week expecting good things because you're walking with us. We've been praying every day, guys, and final message, if you're a world leader, people of significance, we the people, there are people that are dying in here. There are people that need your help. There are people that are less fortunate, that cannot get out, that don't have families. This is not jail, this is immigration. Exposed to corruption. There's a pregnant woman. There's pregnant ladies. Some of them 7 months, 8 months, what do we do? There's kids with disabilities and Down syndrome here. World, wake up. We need your help. SOS.
Grabe oh. Immigration Detention Facility. Ang nakadetain yan, mga foreign nationals. Tapos ganyan, ibubulga. Ay, naku, nakakaya. Kaya pala, nag-resign yung warden. Basta nag-resign at tinanggap na rin ng Pangulo ang resignation dahil napahiya na naman po ang Pilipinas. Palakpakan natin ang gobyernong ito. Kilalang kilala sa korupsyon. Grabe oh. I don't know what to say. Magaling itong vlogger na ito. Although yung report sa kanya, bakit siya na-detain? Dahil nanghaharas ng mga Pilipino para makapag-content lang siya. O ito, ang gandang content. Ano lang mas naisahan niya ang gobyerno. Kasi nabayaran niya. Meron siyang taga-video eh. Oo. Ako, ang hirap mag-video kung ako lang. Kailangan mo pang hawakan yung camera mo. Anong ganun ka, hawakan mo, maglalakad ka. Siya, hindi. Meron taga-sunod sa kanya. So, sino yung videographer niya? Kapwa niya detainee? O gwardya? Pinakita yung pagkain, nakakaya, nakaputos o nakabalot lang ng silupin, kakaunting kanin. There are a lot of rats here. Mabaho. Ano pa yun? 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Napakainit. Tapos yung pampaligo gagamit. Ay, nako, kaya ayun, nakapag salita si John Vic Rimulya na baka kakasuhan ito at pabalikin na. Kain so ka, pinauwi na nga tapos pabalikin mo pa ng dahil lang sa... So, good luck mga kapwa ko Pilipinos. Konting tabunan na lang nating mukha, pagiging Pilipino natin, nakakaya sa administrasyong ito na napapabalit. Sigurado, talagang ang dami, kasi nung nakita ko, pinanood ko kagad, kaya blinag ko rin para, ano na ito, mautak itong vlogger na ito, and I'm sure marami na siyang views at marami na siyang bayad na kita kung saan siya kikita na platform.